Hi Doonistas, it's me, the Pecan Tan Beauty, and welcome to my channel, or as always, I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a requested video from the unbagging of this beautiful Dooney Bourke pebbled leather crossbody bag in the color Caribbean blue. So if you have not checked out the unboxing of this beautiful bag as well as another little surprise, then I will leave a link in the description box for you to check out that video and also get my first impressions of this crossbody and the other item that I just recently picked up. So I am here just sitting waiting on a friend for a early dinner type thing. So I thought that I would just do a quick what's in my bag since so many of you all requested a what fits in my last video. So again, this is the Dooney Bourke pebbled leather crossbody, and this is in the color Caribbean blue. It's a beautiful shade of blue. It's kind of like a baby blue, but not quite a baby blue. Just a beautiful, fun, summery shade. So as you guys know, this bag has two openings. It has one here on the top with the braided zipper pull, and it also has another pocket here also with the braided zipper pull. So let me just share with you first what I have in the front pocket. And I normally don't use outside pockets, but in this case it is a crossbody and I don't have much room on the inside, so I am just trying to utilize all the space that I have. So let's see, the first thing I have here, I have my checkbook. I have a Kohl's Cash coupon that I need to use today. And I am going to Sam's Club afterwards, so I have my Sam's card here in the front. So when I get ready to check out, I can just grab it. So that is all that is in this pocket. Very, very nice size pocket. So now let's go onto the inside. Very nice smooth zipper. And as you can see, I have her pretty much stuffed to the max. So this bag is more of a north-south bag. So sometimes your items, depending on what you're carrying, your items may not fit in the east-west position. So in this case, I am having to rearrange some of the accessories that I have in here depending on what I'm carrying. So first I have my large sunglass case, and as you can see here, still there is lots of room in here. So I have my Dooney Bourke Shiny It Cosmetics case in the color white with the Sierra leather trim, and I think it is a perfect match for this color as well as with the leather. So let's just see what I have in here. I have just a little manicure set. I have some lotion. I have some lip gloss. I have my face powder there, and I also have some headache medicine here. So these little pouches, you guys, hold so much. If you are a member of my Facebook group, the Dooney Den, you guys know that we went absolutely ducks over these little cosmetic pouches. I'd say maybe a couple of years ago. They were on sale, and I think that all of us girls in the den actually bought them out. It also comes in the color black. Very nice little cosmetics case, and it fits perfectly in this little crossbody. Okay, so next what I have is my Dooney Bourke 1975 Shiny It zip around wallet, and it is a very nice size wallet as well. And I have the strap that goes with it. I have some cash, and I also have just my ID and my couple of credit cards in there. So again, a nice little piece to perfectly fit inside of the Pebbled crossbody. Okay, so and then lastly, I have my Chic Sparrow pocket size Mr. Darcy planner, and I just use this. This is just my inspirational planner. This is just a little bookmark type thing that I made that says, "For with God all things are possible." And then I just have two little beloved society girls there, so that's kind of like some inspiration for me. And then I just have a little pocket here that I made using scrapbook paper and washi tape. This here is actually washi tape, and then I laminated it. And then I just made some little pocket folders. I cut out just some little cutouts from a scrapbook. And then I just have like some little entries in here for inspiration. And I just started this book. And then I was playing around with some watercolors on some watercolor paper. And then I just cut those little flowers out to make just like a little cover. And then I have playing around again, just a little prayer with some watercolors there. So this I always carry with me for inspiration. Absolutely love these little pocket planners. So, and then of course I am one to use the key keeper. I absolutely love it. So I always keep my keys in the slip pocket here, and it's normally the pocket with the snap. So that's kind of where I keep that. I don't have anything in this front slip pocket. And on the back pocket, I just have some extra gum, which is one of my favorite brand and flavor of gum. So I just have that stuck in that zipper pocket. And then as you can see, lots of room, a nice little bag for sporting events, or if you just want to run to the mall or to the grocery store and you know that you just only need a few essentials, but it still is able to hold all of your accessories. So let's just put everything back. I have my wallet there. I have my little cosmetics case, and that I am going to have to sit on the side, so standing up like this. And then I am going to take my planner, or my motivational, inspirational little planner here, and I'm just going to stick that there on the side. As you can see, everything fits very nice and neat in here. And then I am going to put my checkbook and my Sam's card back in this front pocket. And then I'm just going to take my sunglasses and I'm going to just put them right back on the top. And as you can see, it still zips up very nicely. It's not wonky or anything. You guys, I absolutely love these crossbodies. This is the perfect size, and for me, I have to have a crossbody that doesn't look like a matchbox on me. So I love these larger size crossbody bags because, you know, it makes me still feel like I'm carrying a decent sized bag, and it also holds all of my necessities. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. As I always say, once you go Dooney, you go loony. So go out and get yourself a Dooney Bourke pebbled leather crossbody in the color Caribbean blue, because you definitely can't have mine. Bye, guys.